Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I love 164 and today we are doing the unboxing for the Range Rover 1971 British Trans-America Expedition car. I've been looking for this from quite a while and was not able to find, but finally I got my hands on this and so I bought it and now I'm going to do the unboxing. So let's do that. The package is usual, and as I've told in one of my video, I usually cut these pieces before the video so that I don't need to cut them open, using the blade and all the knives. Sometimes it can hurt your finger. So oh, this is so cool. This is like a first Range Rover I got from Mini GT, and this is amazing. I mean, look at those decals we have from Heinz and British Trans and Alaska Cape Horn. This is so damn good. We have the number plate here, Range Rover logos, and oh wow, this is the first time I'm seeing this front grille of this car. It looks so amazing. Wow, I really like those tiny headlights. What do you call them? Focus lights, I guess. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. Wow, we have great detailing on the bottom as well. And yes, the wheels roll perfectly. And see, these kind of detailings are something that carries this hobby of collecting 164 ratios, cars and die-cast. These kind of details, like they have added these letters over here and the wheels, extra wheels on this. These kind of details are just fun. And there is very tiny detail. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show this to you guys. There is a small box on the top here. It's like a toolbox or something, if you can see. I think, no, it's not a toolbox. I think it's a, or maybe it's a toolbox, I'm not sure. But really, this is something different and unique. I'm going to add this in my collection. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting unboxings. And before that, let's do the road test. And yes, this car rolls perfectly. Let's spark it up. Wow, I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this car. Thank you for watching.